Students will take aviation maintenance courses. The courses will count for both high school credit and for college credit. At the end of the year, they will have a certificate of proficiency from North Arkansas College in aviation maintenance. One of the really cool things is that all the courses are here at the Clinton Airport. So students will get hands-on experience working with airplanes and airplane parts.
Hello, my name is Luke Westfall, and I'm really looking forward to taking this course. I think it's super awesome that the school offers this course and kids have the opportunity to go away from campus and take this class. I could have never dreamed that you'd be able to leave school, go over to the airport, and actually sit down in the classroom next to airplanes. After high school, I plan on using the information and knowledge I learned at this program and taking it and furthering my college education in aviation.
I'm Sarah Westfall, the aviation instructor of U of A Northark. What makes this course different is that these students aren't just sitting in a classroom learning about airplanes. They're working in a hangar on real airplanes. In fact, the airplane right behind me is one of the airplanes our students will be working on during this course. They're learning how airplanes fly, how the systems work, how to use tools, and how maintenance is actually performed. Most importantly, they're learning by doing and working on real airplanes with their own hands. That experience can lead to college credentials and giving the students a head start toward their FAA aviation maintenance program, potentially allowing them to skip an entire semester of training. So as an aviation instructor, I'm excited because as a high school student myself, I didn't know anything about airplanes, so I can understand the anxiety and fears that comes with aviation and airplanes and the moving parts. I just want to be a safety net for them because you can learn it and you can be successful in aviation.
Now I want to talk to you guys, students in Arkansas. You understand what the course is, and now I want to explain what this industry can do for you. Aerospace is Arkansas's #1 export, and there's an incredible opportunity sitting right here in front of you. Aviation technicians are in high demand. An FAA A&P certificate is a credential you can take anywhere in the world. Wherever airplanes fly, technicians are needed to keep them flying. This is a skilled, stable career with tremendous earning potential. You can build your career right here in Arkansas, or you can take that skill anywhere in the world that you want to go. Through our partnership with UA Northark, Dawson Aircraft will also offer a select number of internships. That means some of you will have the opportunity to come work with us while you're still in high school and gain real-world experience in the aviation industry before you ever leave for college. Then, we want to watch you go earn your A&P certificate. And hopefully, some of you will come back home and work with us full-time. And here's another great part. Through scholarships and grants available in Arkansas, students can have the opportunity to get trained and licensed. You can start this journey right here while you're still in high school and build a skill that can take you anywhere in the world.